This is not just a game. It's a nation's heartbeat. Tonight, the world will witness. India! Feel the thrill, feel the fire, rising higher and higher. Hear the stadium roar tonight. When India shine your light, feel the thrill, hear the call. We stand united, one and all. When the crowd screams loud and free, India writes history. There's a dream inside our eyes, burning bright across the skies. Every heartbeat, every cheer, victory is drawing near. From every street to every ground, feel that power in the sound. When the bat strikes through the air, six runs flying everywhere. Every moment, every fight, we rise stronger in the light. This is more than just a game. We play for pride, we play for fame. Feel the thrill, feel the fire, rising higher and higher. When the stadium shakes tonight, when India own the fight. From the pitch to every stand, hope is rising hand in hand. Hear the drums and see the flame. History will know our name. Through the pressure, through the pain, we will conquer, we will reign. When the final moment comes, India beats like a million drums. Raise your flags, let them fly. Paint the colors in the sky. Blue and fire in our veins. Victory